Again, I am take break for 2 days. Actually, this is this is a real reason. Is I was very ill. Today I want to talk about something that drives me up the wall. Yes, something I really don't like at all, and that is organize my room. Now, please don't misunderstand me. I am not lazy person. When it comes to cleaning, I do dusting, I do mopping, I wipe the table and clean the floor. Everything looks spick and span. If someone visits my house, they might even think, wow, she must be very organized person. But the truth is that is only half of the story. Because when I come to organize my clothes, I completely drop the ball. Every single day I wash my daughter's clothes, sometimes my husband clothes, sometimes bed sheets, towel, towels, everything. Then I take them to roof to dry in the sunshine. At the moment, I feel very productive. I feel like a super organized mother. But the real problem being after the clothes are dry because in my room there is a special piece of furniture, a chair. Now this chair has a secret talent. It is not an ordinary chair. It is actually a magnet of clothes. After at first, I tell myself very confidently, today I will fold everything nearly neatly and keep it in the cupboard. But life does not go according to plan. First, I put one dress on the chair. Then I say, okay, I will fold it in 5 minutes. After that comes another dress, then my daughter's dress, then a towel, then maybe a dupatta, and slowly, very slowly, the chair turned into a mountain of clothes. Yes, it looks like Mount Everest has moved into my bedroom. And at the moment I stand there, look at the chair, and I think, wow, how did this happen? Sometimes I even try to blame my daughter. Sometimes I blame to my husband. I say maybe she put the clothes there, and deep down I know I am the culprit. Yes, but I don't think it is only responsibility of a woman to set up their their room. Is it not? You know, the funniest part, every night I make a big promise to myself. I say tomorrow I will wake up early and organize everything properly. But tomorrow comes, the chair is still there, waiting for more clothes. It's like a chair is whispering me, come on, just one more dress. And I fall into the same trap again. Honestly, I think this chair and I have a love hate relationship. I love the chair because I save my time, but I hate the chair because it exposes my bad habit. Sometimes when guest come suddenly I panic. I look at the chair and think, oh no, this is embarrassing. Then I quickly grab all the clothes, stuff them into the cupboard, and after the guests leave, I open the cupboard and suddenly, boom, the clothes fall out like a volcano eruption. And that moment, I realized something very important. Being organized is not about cleaning the floor, it's about discipline. And honestly speaking, discipline and I are still working on our relationship. But I have decided one thing. One day I will finally break the habit. One day that chair will become normal chair again and not a chair warehouse. Until then, I will continue my daily battle. Sometimes I wait for my holiday. I wait for Sunday, but I can't. But I can't. Do you have also one chair in your room that collects clothes automatically? If yes, please tell me in the comments. Because I don't want to feel I am only fighting this battle. Thank you for watching. That's all.